This is an instructional video on how to install Snorkel Your ATV Warrior Riser decals. Step number 1, we need to make sure we have a clean Warrior Riser. Take an alcohol pad or a shop rag and clean off all of the dust or other contaminants that may be on the Warrior Riser. Now that our Warrior Riser is clean, we're ready to install the decals. The first one we're going to install is going to be the one that says Warrior Riser, and it's going to go on this side that has a single slide. For this one, you want to make sure that the words start at the base and then go towards the top. These will be the next 2 stickers that stick on the side that has 2 sliding locks. On this side, you want to have Warrior Riser facing this way. And the one without the Warrior Riser verbiage goes next. Next, we're going to move to the one that is shaped like a horseshoe, and it goes at the base of the Warrior Riser. And you want to make sure that you're lining it up with the edges. Next, we're going to move to the ones that are shaped like this. These decals go on the back where the vent lines feed through, so the 4 decals will go on either side here. Next, we're going to move to the decal that is shaped like this. The first step is to remove the tip of the Warrior Riser. If you reach inside, there's a tab that you can lift up, which makes it easy to remove the tip. Now you can reinstall the Warrior Riser tip. Finally, we have the last decal. It is going to go around the perimeter of the Warrior Riser tip. For this one, you need to punch out the holes that the vent lines will feed through. You want to make sure it is exactly lined up with the vent holes. Then you're going to press it, fold and press over the top. Then go down the edges. And here you want to press it deep into the crease. Now go around the remaining perimeter of the tip. And that's all there is to it. You have now personalized your Snorkel Your ATV Warrior Riser. And these are the 9 color options you can choose from. I hope you enjoyed this instructional video. Shop all Snorkel Your ATV products at highlifter.com.